Hello everyone. I got a What Sold today, and I'll unbox some games and stuff that I've ordered. We got Batmobile, just a little toy, not really little, I guess, but this sold. I picked up a Lego set that was incomplete. It was a Clone Wars Sith bike thing. Anyways, it came with Assad, Ventress, Savage Opress, and Anakin Skywalker. And Savage Opress did not have a head, but that didn't stop somebody from wanting her, so awesome. That's sold. We got the Simpsons Wrestling for the PlayStation 1 Black Label. That's sold. I have a sealed copy of Fallout New Vegas. Let me take it out here. It's much nicer when it's... Yeah, it's much nicer. That sold. Bejeweled 3 for Nintendo DS sold as well. Bomberman Jetters for GameCube. Animal Crossing. Just regular Animal Crossing. Animal Crossing for GameCube. Player's choice. I picked up today Far Cry Vengeance for the Wii. Almost complete. No cover art. MX versus ATV Untamed for the Xbox 360 complete. We picked up Condemned 2 Bloodshot complete. Some stuff I ordered in. Another sealed copy of Automatus Excellence. I got a collection of these at this point. This. This is a bit of a rare guy. Oh, Painkiller for the PlayStation 3, brand new and sealed. Got this box of stuff. They'll be just as excited as me, because I didn't open any of them. Well, I didn't open all of them. So I'm not too sure what I got. Yeah. Alright. This is probably Funko Pop I ordered. Packed very nicely. Thank you. Wreck it pulling out of there. So this is a Cuphead, Cagney Carnation. Pick that up. It's very nice. Exclusive. This is probably my Game Boy game. Final Fantasy VI for Game Boy Advance. I think that's 6 VI. Correct me if I'm wrong. And these should be some games. I got Super Mario, I think this is All-Stars? For Super Famicom. Got Animal Crossing for the Wii. That's a Japanese copy. Got Splatoon for the Wii U. That's a Japanese copy as well. Dragon Ball Z Sparkling Meteor for PS2, also Japanese. Call of Duty World War II for PS4, Japanese. Oh, we did some cards. Star Wars cards. Or a Star Wars card. R2-D2 and C-3PO. That's pretty neat. And a Japanese copy of Grand Theft Auto 4. Yeah. That's an interesting one. I got some more pickups coming, and there's always more sales, but follow me on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, everything. Meticulous Electronics. You'll find me on eBay everywhere. Have a good day.